So there is no tomorrow. Good morning everyone, my name is Sham Sundar, and really there is no tomorrow. Like as we all thinking that we can't do this thing on that time, but we have to do on we impose that work on next day on next day. So I just want to say why there is any need of we have to impose that type of work on next day. We just have to do that work on that time, on that moment also. Like if we impose our work on next date, so the time and the opportunity you have now, you may not have for tomorrow. So this is the important reason why we should have not have to impose the work on tomorrow. The real example or live example I want to give, like yesterday I went to my aunt house. So there is like Jagran there is. So at 8:30 o'clock I was at my home, and at 9:30 I was in this institute. My father said only me one line, like, never miss an opportunity. Dear, if you really miss that opportunity, you will never be a great person in your life. So be a good person and be a catching person to grab that opportunity. And most of the people are like have fear that I can't do this work on that time, but I will definitely do on next day. Like as so many children are absent here, they all have their mindset like we said we know that we know all things, but they have one fear, like the fear of stage. And if the person have any type of fear, so he or she may not be the successful person in your life. So be patient and always grab the opportunities and never impose your work on next day. So thank you.